In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your email address to Gmail's address book. This straightforward process will ensure your contacts are neatly organized and easily accessible whenever you need to reach out. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to Google. Once you're there, you should navigate to Gmail by clicking on the Gmail link located in the upper right corner of the Google homepage. If you're not already logged in, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Ensure you're logging into the correct Gmail account that you wish to modify. Once you're inside your Gmail inbox, focus your attention on the gear icon located in the top right-hand corner of the screen. This is your settings menu. Give it a click, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select See All Settings. This opens a comprehensive settings window where you can customize various aspects of your Gmail experience. Now, with the settings window open, switch over to the Accounts and Import tab. Here, you'll find a cluster of options related to importing and managing your email accounts. Scroll through these options until you find the section labeled Add Another Email Address. This is what you're looking for. When you click Add Another Email Address, a small window will pop up, prompting you to enter the email address you wish to add. Carefully type in your desired email address and ensure there are no typos. It's crucial that you double-check the email address for accuracy because once added, Gmail will treat this as a recognized contact. Following this, you might be asked for permission details and Gmail-specific preferences regarding the added email. Read through these prompts carefully to ensure everything aligns with your intended use. Confirm your choices by selecting the Next Step button. Now, an important part. Gmail might send a verification email to the address you're trying to add. Head back to your inbox and keep an eye out for an email with a verification link or code. This step is Google's way of ensuring that you have legitimate access to the new email address. Once you receive this email, follow the instructions to verify the email address with your Gmail account. After you've completed these steps and the email address is verified, it'll be successfully added to your Gmail's address book. You can easily begin composing emails to this contact without having to input their email manually each time. Moreover, having your contacts saved can enhance the overall user experience with Google's smart email suggestions and autofill features when you're composing or replying to messages. And there you go. You've successfully added an email address to your Gmail address book. Organize your contacts, streamline your communication, and enjoy a more personalized emailing experience. Thank you for following along, and I hope this tutorial was helpful.